peed on me and I died! If you don't know what that means, or what I'm talking about. I'm talking about in Dark Souls. I don't have anything else that shoots like that range, really, apart from that. There we go. Am I gonna get... Is that hurting him? I think it's hurting him. Oh, I see a thing. I'm right near the end. There's a thing over there. Oh. Ah, come on. No. No, why give me more of that ammo, you dumb game? Stop shooting at them guys. Them guys are not your concern. I don't know if that's hurting him or not. I think I'm kind of hurting him. I don't really know. I just gotta wait for more ammo, apparently. Why? This is the. I always found this a little problem in the games. It's probably why this shotgun does absolutely no damage. Huh. Okay, okay. 7 health. 7 health. I can deal. 20 more bullets. Ah, you joking with me? Peed on me and I died. Oh, right. What else can we buy? B mines, sniper mine. I don't know if that's any good. That's all I got. Is B mines. Let's buy this. What did I buy the sniper one? I think I did. You can customize start menu. Yeah. Right. Let's customize our quick select. We don't need. Do we really need that? There we go. Right. What? That is not fair. Ah, I'm basically dead. I'm just gonna end it all. See you later, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. God damn this game. Ugh. Right. It's lame. It's lame. Can I shoot it from up here with a sniper? That'd be so stupid if I could. Right, I've got instantly dodge. Oh! Maybe I should have carried on the last one because I've nearly got a health upgrade. Why? It's like it breaks all these boxes to begin with, but I don't need them straight away. You know what I mean? All those ammo. But oh my god, I got hit after the health upgrade, and it took like half my health. What a load of garbage. Garbage. This is gonna take me some doing, innit? Do I need to change my armor? I probably need to change my armor, right? So that's better. Oh, that's better. There we go. We'll do that. Will it go up if I do that? 45. There we go. Okay, okay, yeah, we'll stick with that. We've got better armor now. It's because I didn't want to change. I look like an absolute stupid person, but I mean, oh, there's health. There's health. I don't want to do it anymore. Look how dumb I look with the mixed armor. Can I aim? Oh god, if I can shoot this guy and it hurts him. I really hope this hurts it. I'm going to do it like 3 times. It's probably not going to work. Alright, let's just try it, see what happens. Come on. Suck it. Alright, I'll do it like that, and then we'll go down and see. If that's hurt it, then that's stupid. This game's silly. No, not hurt it. Okay, cool. Alright, they thought of it. We didn't get away with it, but it was worth a try, right? Worth a try. It's invincible apparently unless you come down and say hello. Alright. That's alright, don't do too bad, like damage wise, like just gotta not get hit. That's the main thing. Just keep going. If I stay close, it's gonna... Oh, I randomly shoot those guys for some reason. But... Right, they're trying to pee on me. Ah, missed. Missed one. Damn, missed two. Damn. No, don't pee on me. Ah, missed. Give me that ammo. Sweet ammo, baby. Damn, how did I not get hit by that? I really thought I would get hit by that. Got that guy. Is he dead? He didn't die? What? Okay, this is it. This is it. This is the one, right? I can't possibly fail. Boom! Unless that guy pees on me. What are they even doing? Shooting electricity? I don't think... Did I get hit? Did I get hit on that one? That's pretty impressive. I improved. Oh, we got a thing. What is it? It's a cube. It's a Tesseract. Electroshock helmet. Okay. Oh, okay. Things happenings. She's so creepy. She's so very creepy.
Let's get her. Ratchet.
Kill her.
Is anything unusual about Luna?
She's not real. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot this was a thing.
Suppose that is?
Oh, I'm so dumb.
Robot? Correct. I believe the Technomites set us up.
Damn Technomites.
What I do not know.
Setting us up.
Why?
Yeah? Well, I bet those Technomites inside our head know why, and never mind gonna find out.
Well, that's a shame, isn't it?
To catch her first.
It's a bit of a shame. Oh, we're gonna have to go follow. Right, we're off to space. Yay! Space time. Where are we going? The we're on a moon. The moon. Cool. I wish the armor didn't look so stupid in this game, but there we go. Will it? Oh, there we go. Do I have these? Cool. Right. Do I have that? 56. 56 whole armor protection. What are these flowers? They're very symmetrical. I mean, I guess that... Oh, it's a farm. It's a farmland. Now this reminds me of Spyro 2 even more. Right. So we're going to get through this farm. We're going to milk some cows. We're going to plant some crops. And then we're going to help the farmer make a living. That's what we're going to do today. I don't know why, but I've decided. Did these break? Of course they do. Of course they do. Sheep. Did it? Ow, they do attack. Okay, sure. Deadly sheep that don't die to the damn lacerator. Just hit. Ow, I hit you. God damn you crazy farmers and your invincible sheep. Your impenetrable bulletproof sheep. Whoa. I'm not going crazy, it just quickly turned to night, didn't it? Has this got like some sort of day-night cycle, or is it meant to be night the whole time and then I just triggered it? Weird. God. Are you dying? Am I hitting you? Ah! God, why is everything so invincible? This game. They made all the enemies tough, so it increases the length of the game. I'm telling you. Okay. What is it showing? Oh, I just... They're like killer sheep. They're like giant killer sheep. Why are they so big? Are they even meant to be sheep? God damn. Why is everything so tough? Oh, there is a day-night cycle going on. Oh my god. Why are they... Oh, what killed me? Jeez. Did you just poke me? This game sometimes, man.